So choose video, punya template on Canva, and then let's say I want to do that color because it's cool. Okay, so you can see the panels here, the pages kat sini. And then the first page, I'm gonna put this. Okay, I'm just gonna put something moving there. So that's the first one. And then the second one, this is the second page. Make sure that the color is selari. And then the third page is nothing, I think. Let's see how it goes. This one. Let's see anyhow. Black. Okay. So this one. Okay, I want to animate this. Animate it into fade in lah kot. Fade in. How does it look like? Okay. Fade in. Okay. Fade. Right. And I think that's it. Okay. Cuma bila you buat video, make sure that you control the time. Currently the video is at 20 seconds. That's way too long for an intro outro. So you just change it here to maybe like 1 second. And then this one way too long. So you just change it to maybe 3 seconds or just 2 seconds. And then this one pun too long, change it to 2 seconds. And then the final one, just change it to 1 second. Okay, so 5 seconds all in all should be enough. And you change it to 1. Okay, dah. Alright, so let's see. Let's play. That's it. That's it. That's how you do it. An intro outro video. You know how much they charge for this kind of video on Fiverr? $5. But you can do it on Canva. I know because last time I did it on Fiverr, I outsourced it to a guy, and then I found a YouTube video saying that, hey, you can do it on Canva. I macam right. So once you're done, just download the video, the 5-second video, and then you can upload it to wherever you want lah, to your other videos, right? You don't have to use black lah. Okay. Yes. Let's say kalau black is too black for you, you boleh je letak like macam apa ni stars, boleh letak like brighter colours, anything, right? And it will effect dia pun sama je. Okay, so that's it. That's how you do intro and outro videos.